The 2023 Nissan Ariya is the brand's ambitious foray into the world of electric vehicles, aiming to solidify its position as a leading contender in the rapidly growing market. The Ariya, which launched in late 2022, presents a stylish and futuristic design, combined with innovative technology and impressive performance. This review takes a closer look at the key features and aspects of the Ariya that make it a compelling choice for electric vehicle enthusiasts and potential EV buyers alike. The Nissan Ariya features a sleek and modern design that sets it apart from the current Nissan lineup. With its distinctive V-motion grille, slim LED headlights, and futuristic taillights, the Ariya exudes a sense of elegance and sophistication. The overall design language of the Ariya is characterized by smooth lines, minimalist styling, and an aerodynamic profile, which not only enhances its visual appeal, but also contributes to better range and performance. Step inside the Ariya, and you'll be greeted with a spacious and comfortable cabin that boasts a futuristic ambiance. The minimalist dashboard, with its dual 12.3-inch touchscreens for infotainment and driver information, ensures a seamless and user-friendly experience. The interior also benefits from the absence of a traditional transmission tunnel, providing ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. It comes with Nissan's zero-gravity seats that offer excellent comfort and support, making long drives enjoyable. Additionally, the vehicle offers an impressive array of standard features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a premium audio system. It's available in two battery sizes, a 63 kilowatt-hour option and an 87 kilowatt-hour option, with both options offering single or dual motor configurations. The base single-motor 63 kilowatt-hour version provides a respectable 223 miles of range, while the top-of-the-line 87 kilowatt-hour dual-motor variant boasts an impressive 310 miles of range. The dual-motor configuration also offers Nissan's e-4ORCE all-wheel drive system, which provides excellent traction and handling capabilities. With its instant torque delivery and seamless power, the Ariya delivers a thrilling and engaging driving experience. The Ariya also offers Nissan's ProPilot Assist, an advanced semi-autonomous driving system that allows for hands-free driving on highways under certain conditions. The Nissan Ariya is equipped with an 800-volt architecture, allowing for rapid charging capabilities. The vehicle can be charged from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes using a 130 kilowatt DC fast charger. Additionally, Nissan has partnered with charging networks to provide Ariya owners with convenient access to charging stations across the country. The 2023 Nissan Ariya is a bold and impressive entry into the electric vehicle market. With its striking design, spacious and comfortable interior, potent performance, and competitive range, the Ariya is a compelling option for those looking to make the switch to electric mobility. Nissan has successfully combined style, technology, and practicality in the Ariya, making it a strong contender in the rapidly evolving EV landscape. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.